Hello everyone from tinyatdragon's YouTube channel. This is Sifu, and today we're going to talk about who need a luck boosting ceremony. Now, the word like luck boosting, luck enhancement, that kind of ceremony, it sounds kind of fishy because there's a lot of scammers using these kind of words to also scam people for sex, for money, and for all these kind of other whatever crap, okay? But, just like there are scam doctors, scam plastic surgery, everything will have scammers around doing that stuff, and everything will have some legit stuff doing the whole same thing, okay? So, here I want to explain what is the luck boosting ceremony that we offer, and what can it what can it do to you? What kind of benefit will you get from it? And what kind of people will need this kind of stuff, okay? So here we go. First of all, what is the wealth that we're talking about? What is the luck and wealth that we're talking about? In the lecture of Phúc Lộc Sầu, you can review that again, but let's talk about this, okay? Your success or your career, or let's say your money and stuff like that, your financial stuff, your life and everything, okay? All these things in life that combines to the you today, okay? That shapes up the you today. It will make you happy, not happy, not only like have money or not have money. Some people are fucking rich, but they have a very fucked up life, okay? They have bad health, they have bad children who don't bring them any joy, and they're always mad, Having money doesn't mean you are good luck, okay? I know, like, oh, we don't have a lot of money, and so we look at the rich people and we wish that we were them later on, like as rich as this guy. That would be cool, okay? But yeah, having money doesn't mean that you're rich. Have money is good, but have money is not everything. Sometimes you want money, and also be able to make use of the money, transform the money into something that actually benefit you. For example, money benefit you because it brings you food, it brings you a better lifestyle, it brings you a nice car, okay? Something like that, something you can consume and enjoy. Having a bunch of money doesn't make you happy, okay? Yeah, it makes you happy for a while, but not for long, okay? But what if you have a lot of money and everyone around you is like your enemy? You don't have any friends, okay? And maybe your children is betraying you, or all your kids and your grandsons and stuff are trying to make plans and stuff at your back, trying to make you die sooner so that they can get the money that you will be passing on to them. That kind of stuff happen a lot in a rich family, okay? So it's not always have money equals happiness. But what is wealth? In our theory, okay, you can look at it like this. There are three parts of that shape your life in general, okay? Your Yun Sun is like your spiritual planetary body. It contains all the what we call the pre-heaven energy, which goes to you, and these are your potentials, what create your future path. And it's like it's like light. It shines and it allows you to see what's ahead of you. Okay, so it's like you go into the school. Okay, you go into the school. Why? You can see that there is like this and this person that you can connect to, and it will bring you a job later. Why the other people cannot see it? It's because your Yun Sun is bright, so it shines the road ahead and give you a pointer that pushes you to want to go to this direction. And when you go there, you can see, you can discover, oh, there are these opportunities right there. Okay, that's basically the seeing part. It doesn't mean you get it, okay? Okay, now, you can be working in this company, okay? And other person also work there. Now, why? You can suddenly be seen by so many people, and everyone like want to help you and stuff, because your Yun Sun is bright. It shines And then because it shines, it's like there's light glowing, okay? It makes people aware of your existence. It's like you're a light bulb inside a room. Wow, everyone look at you and like, ooh, you get their attention like that. Everyone wants your help, okay? It's like this. Now, the other person, same guy, same company, you go in there, no one really cares. No one look at you. You don't really see any potential there, and it's like, oh, just go there, go back home, go there, go back home. You work like a robot. You don't really feel yourself right there as anyone, okay? You're like nobody. That's because your Yun San is very weak. There's no light there. So that's why you work 30 years being just like a robot and you're not seen by anyone, okay? So working in somewhere, be seen or not be seen, that is basically the main thing that your Yun San can control, okay? Let's say you are working for your own company, okay? You're promoting. Now, if your Yun San is strong, you'll be able to see a lot of potential coming at you, okay? Doesn't mean that you can get it, but you have these things in front of you. You can foresee a lot of things coming up, which also lead to the prevention of having lawsuit, having troubles, you know, all these kind of stuff. Or maybe you can have a better long-term plan, more vision that allows you to plan ahead of other people, and that gives you a more advantage against the other guys. Now, this is all about the seeing part. It doesn't mean the way how you do it that leads to the final result, okay? Make sure you know. That's the Yun San, the pre-heaven part, okay? Energy up there. Now, the opposite is when the Yun San flow resources downward and goes into your soul, your Ling One, okay? When these energy from the Yun San go into your soul, it will translate into power, internal powers, internal energy. You will have, like, for example, the Yun San is good, okay? You will feel that you have direction in life, okay? Like you want to stay alive, you have direction, okay? The soul is like a balloon. The more air inside this balloon, the stronger it gets, and the more powerful it gets, okay? So when the soul is very strong, you wake up and you can feel that you're full of energy. You can do the things. Like you have the urge to do these things. You can pump out a lot of things with the energy inside, making use of your potential. Let's say you work in a workplace. The same pattern can be seen. You work in a workplace, work for someone, okay? You have good potential, okay? You have a bright future, but it doesn't mean anything, okay? You can be having a bad soul. What happened when there's a bad soul? Well, you feel like very clumsy. You don't really move. You see the potential, but you don't want to go and that kind of stuff, okay? It's like kind of potato mode, okay? It makes you very potato. Makes you slow, makes you weak. And when your soul is weak, people say something and it hurts you, and you are not confident about your own self anymore. Wow, you got some plan, okay? You want to propose it, and you know that this is what the boss needs. When you propose, it's supposed to bring you future. The Yun San's working, okay? Future. Now, your soul is weak. Your friend come by, say something like, oh, that doesn't look really good. Oh, all of a sudden, you got attacked. Boom! It's like the balloon got popped. Oh, you gave up. Okay? See? You're supposed to be okay, but someone come by, said something, and it fucked the whole thing up. That's the soul not doing its work. No soul power. Instantly KO by someone. Okay? That's basically the soul issue. It's supposed to translate potential into some kind of plan and preparing to execute that in reality. So the last step is the physical world, the physical body. Sometimes you have a strong mind, okay, strong soul, but your body is wrecked. For example, you got a car accident, okay, boom, your leg, your arm is gone. You cannot execute what's inside. All the good plan, all the strong soul, no use, because now your body is wrecked up. Okay, then you cannot do it. So basically that's the 3-step to like how to analyze your life and basically like see the 3 parts of things. So wealth boosting means, what is wealth? Wealth is something that you can keep and put it to use. Okay, something that is useful. And in this pattern, okay, it is something that goes into the Yun Sun and can go into you. Now, if your own Yun Sun is already lacking stuff, like your own system is already lacking resources, you need another place that can give you resources, right? Something that can replace your Yun Sun and feed the stuff into you. Or something that is even higher than your Yun Sun and can feed into the Yun Sun. Okay? There are 3 types of wealth that you can replenish or you can boost. Okay? 3 types. We call that the Tin Dei Sui, the 3 things. Sky, ground, and water. What are these? These are like this. Okay? The sky. When you are replenishing the sky bank, which is the Yun Sun, okay, you need something outside of the Yun Sun, which is even more pre-heaven than the Yun Sun, and can put these resources into the Yun Sun to replenish your sky, your Yun Sun, okay? The other part is the ground. It replenishes the soul. And then the last part is the water, which is the storage and the containing section, which is like things that you can keep inside, okay? To keep not only the processing power, but the power to keep the success, keep everything, okay? So the wealth, energy, the wealth is not money. It's not like you do a money spell and money come to you. These are all energies. That's what magic is doing. It brings you the pre-heaven energies that you do not have. Where does it come from? Well, it comes from our altar and the source that we connect to through the altar. Okay? So we have a bunch of resources which you do not have. Okay? These are like extra. Like you found a supermarket. It got a lot more resources than your backyard with the little tomatoes, okay? So you go to the supermarket and ask for help. Supermarket give you the food, which is the wealth. The food can go into your house and be eaten. Or you can buy the food and seed and plant it at your backyard. That's basically like planting back to your Yun Sun, okay? Now your backyard can have more fruits growing and your kitchen can be filled. And also the stuff that you can eat, okay, for example, the fork and knife and stuff like that that you use to eat with. These things can also be boosted, replenished, okay, improved. And you need that supermarket. You cannot use your own energy like cutting your flesh and eat it and call that dinner. So that's why you need the extra help right here. When and who will need this kind of energy or wealth boosting ceremony? Well, when you feel, first of all, when you feel that you need help in life, you will want this kind of ceremony. What kind of help? Well, you need more potentials coming up to you. Or you need help that can help you go through obstacles. For example, you're being like bothered by many people here and there, and many people trying to take advantage of you and things like that. You need wealth. You need the extra boost to boost your internal up so that you can grind through this obstacle. It doesn't mean everyone just instantly go away, but it helps you to strengthen the inside and make you be able to fight through the problems. Okay? Now with the replenishment of the pre-heaven resources, okay, it also allows you to see the future better. See a new path coming up at you. There are many paths around you, but you just cannot see it. That's why you think that it's so hopeless. When you can see the path, you become not hopeless anymore. As you can see, it's like the wealth boosting ceremony is powerful, but at the same time, not what most people are thinking that it's like. Okay, it's not like you do this and then instantly next month you are going to be rich or win the lottery. You know, it's not like that. Real magic is not a scam. It's not a shortcut to bring you fast cash. It doesn't work like that. You will also need to work. You will also need to study. You also need to do whatever you're doing. But it just means that there are more pre-heaven energies being shoved to you that is outside of your own bank, your own life. And these things will add potential, add energy, and leading to a success, or at least leading to helping you to get through obstacles or making the better choices, doing things faster, keep going, being like having hope, seeing the future, avoiding bad friends. Things like that is very important. Now imagine like I do some kind of fucked up ceremony for you and it brings you cash tomorrow. What kind of good did that give you? Some cash, okay, I can buy a meal, but what else? Nothing, right? You will want to have something that actually really benefit you. For example, you got a brighter future. Like you can see, oh, this is a bad friend. This is a bad guy, not to stick with him. Okay, you see it? Your choice. You make the decision to detach from these people. In the future 5 to 10 years, you will not be bugged by this person anymore. You're not going to be ruined. Like your success is not going to be ruined by someone around you. These leeches, these assholes around you, when you rip off these things, it's already making your life so much better, right? Now, if you can see the future better, have a longer vision, you avoid dumping your money like a stupid fool, dumping their money onto some kind of investment that doesn't make sense, some kind of scam investment, and losing all their money, all their time, right? You will see through these problems and avoid yourself dumping into these things. Now, at the same time, you might be able to see or sense a better future, picking the right newspaper. And then, woo, there goes a new job that fits you. Go, submit the resume. Oh, there goes a new job. It doesn't mean that I do the ceremony, next day you have a new job. But if you actually push out the resume with the magic help, it will help your resume to glow like a light bulb. And when people look at it, it will give them a little bit more good impression. So they will look at it like, ooh, this feels good. I want to try to see this guy. Okay, call him for interview. You see, that's what happened with real magic. It's not a shortcut, but it does really help. And I personally do use it for myself, and I think that it's actually super useful. More useful than just bringing you money directly. So if you need help, okay, and you think that your life need help, you can try our luck boosting ceremony. And I can tell you that you cannot really just expect the ceremony to be done and then instantly everything to be like all good and okay. Because you are the one who are making the final decision and taking action. So you must also cooperate, okay? After I do it, you also have to go do your part nicely and leading to a success with the cooperation with both parties. Okay, that's it for today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!